Life is unpredictable, but so is our destiny. I have always been a person driven by heart, and the smallest of things steer my emotions. Always a curious child who believed in magic, superheroes, and fairies. This led me to dream of someday being crowned as the Miss World. The first time I participated in Miss Nepal, I could not make it to the crown. The sorrow of my dreams being shattered stormed upon me. My dream of being the Miss World remained a dream. This was the greatest attempt of my life, and it took time for me to heal. I decided to move on with my life outside the fairy tales and started working as a kindergarten teacher. This was the most wholesome experience of my life, awakening my inner child and getting back to what I really was. My students reminded me that with courage and resilience, we could be the superheroes of our own lives. I was finally ready to reclaim my unfulfilled dreams. And this time, I made it. Breaking out of the cocoon, the crown that I earned spread my wings. Raised with constraints, I never got the opportunity to explore my own country. Nepal is blessed by its unique geography that celebrates unity in diversity. A country that encompasses the statement Atithi Deva Bhava and embraces its guests as the form of God. An unexplored treasure, a land of age-old history with traditions thousands of years old. Our country is an abode to living gods and goddesses. Every day is a celebration here. Every place has its distinctive character. I can feel the blessings from the mountains, the hills, and the rivers. As I represent this place, I call home. A country of 30 million individuals woven with the same thread, Nepal. Namaste, म नम्रता श्रेष्ठ, मिस वर्ल्ड नेपाल 2020। आफ्नो देशको इतिहास, संस्कृति र गौरव बोकेर आउँदैछु। विश्व सामु नेपाललाई चिनाउन। मेरो चन्द्र सूर्य फरफराउनु।